Okay. I was thinking we could just, there's just barely enough material that we could just take the red heart. Just red heart. However, if if we split this so we took the wenge out and left the ash, veneer, red heart, then it would be like a mirror of this. So we'd have our ash, veneers, red heart, veneers, ash, red heart. I think I want to try to make that happen. We got, we should have enough material to do two. So I think we can cut it in half. We can try this. If it doesn't work, we still have enough material to with the other half to just do straight red heart. I think that's what we're going to try. It sounds like fun. So I suppose first step is to get this down to close to 5/8. Not quite, but close. Alright, maybe be slightly more strategic. And if we're just gonna go for the gold and just count on it working. It'll work one way or another. If we don't like the way it looks, we can just flip them. I wasn't thinking about the fact that it'd be flipped. It still looks alright, but I'm thinking if I do veneers on both sides of the ash, maybe that will look okay. I don't know. God knows I got enough veneer scrap, so what the hell, we'll try it out and see what it looks like. I mean, it could look cool. I don't hate it. Glue up's gonna suck, but what glue up doesn't? I just decided to screw it. This is what we're doing. So we're gonna do it. Complexity of all the veneers. We're gonna do one side. And once it's good and tacked up, then we'll do the other. Okay, give it a little while to tack up, and then we'll do the other side. Okay, should pretty much be just like the other side. About right there, Maple. My dull shitty chisel. Not going anywhere now. There we go. Awesome possum. Alright, with big fat master template in place, I found, I believe, the perfect placement so we're covered. We're obviously covering everywhere. I was concerned about making sure we had a clean spot here, which we do. And here, the two places where the joint comes together. I wanted to make sure we had a nice clean coverage so it's a smooth chop. I'm going to Sharpie around that, so would have been nice to just stick it in place, but we need to bandsaw off as much as possible close to the line, especially with the wenge, so we can have hopefully a fairly painless trim. Thanks for joining me. If you like what we're doing, if you're digging it, like and subscribe. Catch you next time.